And all I feel is blue. Black.
Hello guys and welcome back to Attitude Codes. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a theme on your keyboard. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the video. So to first begin with the video, we need to download an app which is a mechanical keyboard, as you can see here. So this is the app. As you can see, this is the app. So to download this, just go to your Play Store and then just search for RGB keyboard. You have already searched and you will see the RGB animated backlit mechanical keyboard. So it's a nice app. I have tried it and it's also free of cost. So you can just download this app and you can take the reviews also, 5-star, 4-star reviews. And you can see that there is a rainbow with that mechanical audio effects, leading RGB effect and emojis, dark mode plus RGB backlight, and you will get so many effects. So let me show you the configuration of this app. So just click on open after downloading it, and then it will tell you to rate mechanical keyboard. I will tell not to rate. And you can see mechanical keyboard. Here are some tips which you can read, and here you will see that there are so many themes over here. So from here to then RGB effect, I will select the rainbow wave dart, and you will see here down there 3 steps. Step 1, enable settings. Step 2, select input method, and step 3, go to RGB settings. So first we need to enable these settings. So just click on step 1, and you will see that mechanical keyboard. So you just click one over here and just click on OK, and just click the back button of your Android device. You will be totally loading keyboard and all. So there will be some ads, so just close it off. So this app has so many ads, but after setting this, you can just close off your internet and this will work fine. And then select input method. So now we need to select the input method. So you will see here mechanical keyboard English United States. So just select it. And then the third step is go to RGB settings. So you click on step 3 and go to RGB settings, and you will see here that input language is English as set to default. And this is if you want mechanical keyboard sounds, you can take one, if you want vibration. You can take show suggestions, backlight, dark mode, and backlit type keyboard size. So you can change it by your own, whichever suits you. And after clicking on it, just click the back button, and all the settings will be applied now. So just for example, now I will show you my notepad, and you will see that the keyboard has been changed, and you will see some mechanical sounds are also there, as you can listen. And you will see that the keyboard theme has also changed, and it's looking very fantastic and cool also. So it's very cool theme actually, and you can try out many other themes given in the app. So I will show you the app, and use that. Yeah, so you can just go to RGB settings, and you can also change the backlit type. So from rating I will change to waves, and now you see the effect. So I will go back here again, and you will see that the effect has been changed, and it continuously going in another color. And you can also see the mechanical sounds. So if you don't want the mechanical sounds, you can just disable this from the settings. And this is a very nice app, and this is also free of cost. The only thing is that there are so many ads in this app. So after using this effect, you can just go and close off your Wi-Fi or your internet, whichever you are using. So as you can see, still it works, and it is a very nice app, and I will suggest you this app. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also what tips and tricks about Android, PC, CMD, and etc. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please hit the like button. I will be bringing more videos to you. Till that, goodbye.